This is the Restoration Project Fair in the Foundations of Restoration class. People sculpt things, create things, they make websites, apps, podcasts, literature, poetry, music. One of the great things of leaving it a little open-ended, they have to seek some inspiration as to what really moves them.
For me, art has always been a super special way that I can share my testimony of the gospel. This piece is called I Could Not Deny It. It's a depiction of the first vision in a different perspective.
I try to capture this feeling in my soul, it's clarity.
I love writing music. There was a lot of different things that inspired different lyrics through art and through things that I could research on my own. I was really able to internalize what I had studied.
The artwork has a lot of meaning, specifically with the shards of glass. You have to crack them and break them. Each one of these glass pieces represents an individual who has turned a question or misconception about the gospel into faith. We have questions and doubts, but we can turn them into a testimony.
I push them, I say, use this as an excuse to really look into something that can benefit your understanding and your faith. And I think that helps them find things that touch them more deeply on a personal level.